In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reach Genius Level 3 on Booking.com. If you've ever wondered how you can unlock more exclusive discounts and rewards when booking accommodations or rental cars, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore this in detail. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Booking.com account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click it. After doing so, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select the option for the Genius Loyalty Program. This area is where you can check your current status and what you'll need to do to level up. Now, you might currently be at Genius Level 1 or 2, so let's understand how to progress. For most users at Level 1, the requirement to advance to Level 2 is completing 5 bookings within a span of 2 years. Achieving those 5 bookings unlocks a new tier of discounts and rewards specifically tailored to Level 2 members. However, our ultimate goal is reaching that coveted Genius Level 3, which opens up a plethora of benefits. To get there, you'll need to successfully make 15 bookings over the course of 2 years. It's important to know that the bookings don't have to be for exclusive or expensive stays. They just need to add up to 15 bookings, so feel free to plan trips accordingly, whether they're short weekends away or longer, extended stays. Each booking counts and brings you closer to more perks. Once you have reached Genius Level 3, you can start enjoying up to 10% to 20% discounts on selected stays. Additionally, you'll find significant savings on rental cars as well, ranging from 10% to 15% depending on your rental choices. The great thing about these levels is that as you ascend, the benefits become more attractive, gradually revealing more substantial savings and options. Remember, all this fantastic value is yours simply by making those 15 bookings within 2 years. It's a worthwhile investment in both experience and budget friendliness for any traveler frequently using Booking.com for their trips. So there you have it. That's the pathway to becoming a Genius Level 3 member on Booking.com. The journey may seem straightforward, but the rewards are well worth it. Make sure to take advantage of those discounts and enhanced services. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more tips. Happy traveling!